Hello friends, welcome everyone. Today we are going to create a family table. Family table for a sprocket family. Using family table we can create as many gears or as many components which we want of the same dimension. The generic component, the base component is already designed. You can see our other video for that. Let's start working for the family table. Firstly, we need to rename our features, like we are going to rename extrude 1 to the top dia, and secondly sketch will be renamed as the tooth profile sketch, and so on. We are going to rename all other uh, features. Now we are going to rename our dimension. Renaming dimension is a task. For that, firstly, we have to find out switch symbol. That we have to go to the tools and switch symbol operation option. First, go to your parameter features, right click on show dimension, then click on switch symbol. You can see dimension is replaced with a name. That name we have to change. Click on properties and you can rename it to the as your requirement. Like we are renaming it to top dia. And similarly we have already renamed all other dimensions. One like this is chain circle diameter, this is RE. Now we are renaming one more for your reference, that is D is changed to the pitch circle diameter. Go on properties, rename it to the pitch circle diameter or anything you want for your reference. After renaming, just check all the dimensions renamed as per our requirement and then continue for family table as shown in the video ahead. Now after renaming, let's start making family table. Click on family table button. You get a dialog box. Here click on the column button. So you can add column in which you want to add dimensions. There are 9 parameters which you can change in a family table. Today we are using dimensions only. Let's start adding dimensions. Click on top dia feature. You can add the DA. Then click on sketch option. You can add, now you add RE, that is tooth profile, pitch circle diameter, DF yani root diameter, and the dimension like chain circle diameter and the thickness will remain same for 08B type of sprocket. Now add angles, that is tooth angle and the half of the tooth angle, and also we need to add the chamfer pad plane. Okay, now just get a review of what you all add. Also we can add later on if we forgot something, just check it down, but I think forgot to add the root diameter of radius. Then click on column option again, click on column option and go to the root angle, root dia, and add the dimension and click on OK. Now we have to start adding dimensions for our family table. Firstly, just set the columns. Now click on row button and you can see a row is initiated and every column has a second empty column. Just rename the name, like that is sprocket 15 for our first sprocket, and start adding dimension, that is this is DA top circle diameter. Second is RE, it's tooth profile circle, tooth profile radius. Third one is pitch circle diameter. Then we have to add, after pitch circle diameter we are adding root diameter. Then we are adding tooth angle, and the next is tooth angle half for our sketching purpose. Then we, and similarly start adding for all other type of sprocket you can see in video. As we have completed adding dimension, now we have to verify our components if they are okay or not. Click on verify button. It will check and give us the report success or failure of all our components. It shows a failure option. We have to check we found the problem. Just go to the column option. We forgot to add the pattern. Add pattern and go back your column. Add the number of sprockets you need in every gear, like 15, 19, 25, 38 and 75. And now click on verify button. It will check the results. Actually, the ProE run a backend program and give us the result of our components if they are success or a failure, as it shows a success for all of our component. Just wait a second. Yes, now after clicking close, our family table is done. Just now click on OK, and we have to open parts to check if all components are done. Click on save to save our component with family table. Now we are going to open. You can open generic part. You just see the list of all components. We are going to open gear 25 for reference. Just get a view and count the number of tooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And yes, it's okay. Now you can create a hub according to your requirement in this center and use it anywhere. Just click on save and your component is. Please comment to us if this video is useful for you. Do like, share and comment our video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. We eMAG Nomads working on design activities to make design easy for you all.